Hey, this is some guy named Chris, and today I want to talk about changing all your visuals on your screen at once, or at least a couple based on slicers. Instead of going through and doing drill downs, we can use, I say slicers to affect and change the visuals all at once. So let's get started and share my screen and show you how to do it. Now, this came up with a client recently where they had this situation on the screen you're seeing here where they had open tickets and same period last year. They could see the overlap. And what they were looking for was, could they see multiple years? Could they see 2023 versus 2019? And the answer is yes. So as a quick, easy solution, we came into this environment or the visual, got rid of last year, and we added year as the legend. And we can go, okay, let's look at 2023 versus 2019. Very quick and easy, we can see the differences. But they had 9 grids on their screen. And they may have wanted to drill up and drill down. And even when you drill up, you can't see it very well. And depending on what you're looking for. But with 9 visuals, they'd have to go through and potentially change each one to see, do I want to see at a yearly level, a monthly, a quarterly, etc. So I thought about it for a few minutes and go, field parameters. Let's see what we can do with those and get that working. So what we ended up building out and worked pretty quick. We go into field parameters. We can call this date x axis. Year. We won't even go day. And you potentially drop in the hierarchy, but with the day, I don't really want to on this one. So we're gonna here. The other issue that you run into is if you think by me selecting 2023 and 2019, this grid below actually shows you it's incorrect. The previous year is actually going to be the previous year, the lowest to min year. So it's not going to be inaccurate. And then even the closed tickets will be an aggregation of the two. But what we can do here is have this value. And let's change this up a little bit here. We're going to get rid of month name. Come up to date axis. Drop in there. So now all of a sudden we are seeing year, month, name. So very quickly and easily, I can click month, and now I'm seeing year over year. And I can even include multiple years. Now, years still look a little bit misleading, so maybe you don't want years. But if we stuck with month name, and what I would recommend here, so I did for my other client, I'll do a single select. But what's nice about this is you see how this one down, the lower one did not change. But if we do the same process, we have to be very careful here because, again, we're seeing month and we're seeing name. But now I want to see all 4 selected years. So here, get rid of last year. Drop in the year. And with that, I'm able to select any years I want and then change all the grids at one time. utilizing the data access selection. So I'm not sure if you guys, I'm sure you guys know this, but if not, it's a nice little way to change across the board. Let me know what you think below. It's not hard. It's real simple to put together, but it's very valuable, especially if you have a lot of grids and like line charts and graphs on your report. So it's been some guy named Chris. Let me know what you think. Thanks.